a child, I was told to fill the trees with green color. I wish someone told me, fill it with whatever color you want it to be, Namsli. It's your tree after all. In today's video, my snow leopard is going to be purple and I'm gonna tell you all a story. But our girl here seems to be still troubled by something. That energy. The harder she tries to break through, the more she gets engulfed into it. Let's hear what she has to say. White swans are the ordinary thoughts that were imposed upon her. Amidst those, she has many of her own. Like this one, with beautiful bright feathers and wings so wide. Or this one with beautiful, bright patterns. Or this one with the wings on fire. Or this one which has the potential of growth if given a chance. Or this one which has so much depth and wisdom in it. Or this one which has been evolved into a dragon so powerful. Thanks to each and everyone who is listening to her right now, as she is letting it all out. The energy that had imprisoned her is releasing itself, and she is finally able to listen to her own extraordinary ideas. She is not confused anymore. She is not lost anymore, for she has finally understood who she really is.